In this video, we will learn how to return 400 bad request status code from ASP.NET Core Web API application. Go to controller base class, right click here, then choose go to definition. Here, let's scroll down. See here we have three bad request methods. Let's see the summary of this bad request method. Using this method, we can return 400 bad request status code. If there is an error in the client data, then we will get this bad request status code. Let's create one action method in this animals controller. Since we are using the same application that we have created in our ASP.NET Core video series, so copy this method and paste it below that. Now change the route. Here we have to pass name of the animal, then change this method name, get animals by name. In the parameter we have to pass string name. See here we are using this code again and again in these action methods. To avoid repeating of this code, let's create a constructor here. So copy this code, paste it here. Let's declare a property, private list of animal model, then variable property name animals we declare as null. So we have returned the outcoded values in this constructor. Then we have created animals property here. We can simply use this property in our all action methods. No need to write this much code again and again. So let's remove it. In our upcoming videos, we will get data from database. Now we are learning methods only. So we are using this outcoded value. In this method, now let's write a logic. If the name doesn't contains caps ABC, then we will return bad request. If the name contains ABC, then we will return OK method. Here we will return list of animals. So we can use the animals property here. That's it. Here we have created the simple logic. If the name doesn't contain caps ABC, then we will return bad request. If the name contains caps ABC, then we will return a list of animals. Okay, now save and run this app. See the base route here. First we have to append API, then controller name, then we have to pass name of the animal. So update the URL here, API, then animals, then name of the animal, let's say dog, then press enter. See here the type of the URL and title is bad request. Your status is 400. Now let's go to network tab in the browser. Again reload this page. See here we have 400 status code. Now append caps ABC along with this URL. Now we got 200 status code. Now let's use small letter ABC. This time we got 400 status code. So we can use any one of the method to return 400 status code. This is how we can return 400 status code from ASP.NET Core Web API application. Thanks for watching this video.